Konnichiwa. Hello, my people in my universal world of peeps. And Katrina, I'm going there. I see it in your eyes. I'm going there because I'm going to the Far East with this next dish coming to you. My accents may not be 100% spot on.
Your accents aren't even 4% spot on, Mum.
They are.
No.
But they're not offensive.
Well.
They're not.
Well.
Because they come from my heart. They come from my heart. I ain't offending nobody. Ouch. See.
Instant karma.
See, I knew she was going to say that. I just had a tooth pulled. And so, if I grin too much, it hurts. So I can't be grinning too much, people. So I'm just got to be a little bit subdued. Ouch.
Oh my God, really?
See, I can't even do it.
All right.
I can't even do it. I can't even be subdued. So today we are going to make a very, very quick and easy noodle and vegetable stir fry. Vegan style.
Ooh.
Really good style. Okay? This dish I'm making to accompany my pork and apple and mushroom. What's that thing called?
Mommaton.
Mama. What?
Instead of a Wellington, you call it.
Instead of a Wellington, I call it a Mummington.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my Mummington. All right, but you can use this with anything, and I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is. I've got on the stove heating up. Where did my? Here we go. You know I need my things near me. I have on the stove heating up my little wok. It's quite hot, so I'm gonna now take it off the heat because y'all know me. I gotta do some talking. So I don't want it to be burning up. So before I even get started, have you done it? Why not? Come on and do it. Do it now. What am I talking about? I'm talking about hitting that button. Oh yeah. Becoming one of the family. Oh,
wow.
That's my jazz hands.
On one.
That's my jazz. Well, you know why I'm on one, people?
I know what you're going to say.
You know what I'm going to say.
Exactly what you're going to say.
I know you know what I'm going to say. Because Katrina is...
Shame me.
I'm going to shame her. Because when she's on camera 100%. But getting that... Okay, I do recognize
Mom,
that she's been suffering from fatigue.
I've been ill, Mum. I've had a really bad week.
But when she here, I got to go... I got to go for it. It hurts my mouth. But you know what? Okay, I'm in pain, but you know what? I'm here.
Don't even go there.
I'm
no,
here.
No. We're not going to have a race to the bottom,
Full
Mum.
of cheer. I'm here. I ain't shaming you for, I'm just happy you're here.
Good.
All right?
Okay, I'll
so
take
can
it.
you just take a compliment?
I'll take it.
And don't push me nowhere else. Now, I'm looking at this table, and I'm thinking, I got noodles. I got ginger, I got garlic, I got soy sauce, I got fish sauce, I got love dust. Where are my vegetables, you may be asking me? What did you say, Katrina?
Where are your vegetables, Mum?
Aha! If you go to the fridge, open the fridge for me, and I think you're going to find something in the fridge.
Hold on.
Let's see what's in the fridge.
Split pots, creme brulees,
Girl, just get down to what's there. Be gone in my fridge.
tzatziki, bread, bananas, scones.
Girl.
Here we go. Vegetables.
Alrighty. So.
Bratwurst, Chinese food.
That's our takeaway.
Beer.
Oh, yes. Diddy! Now, this is a bag of already pre-sliced vegetables. And they're marinated in olive oil and love dust. Now, this is a quick and easy hack, okay? So that when you're cooking, and sometimes you just don't have time to throw it together, but when you got that spare minute, chop up your vegetables, put a little bit of oil on them, stick them in a bag, and put them away. Then they're prepped and ready for all sorts of dishes.
I'm sure we made a video about that.
Yes, I did. I did a video on how to. My hacky video. So please, have a look at it. So, first thing first, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. We are going to cut up some garlic, because we want to fry off this garlic first. So just kind of get it quite small. So, Katrina, tell the people what you've been up to.
I haven't been up to anything.
You have?
I've been in bed. I've been sick.
Okay, you've been sick, but where did you go this morning?
Oh, I was at I did tap classes every Sunday. So, yeah, I was at my tap dance class this morning.
Okay.
Doing my shuffleable changes.
All right, so let's put this garlic in. And we have some ginger. So let's just get a little bit of ginger. And also, tell them, what are you doing? You've auditioned for something, haven't you?
I'm doing a show.
Can you tell people?
Yeah, I'm doing Avenue Q, which is a really funny, fantastic musical. I'm doing that in June, and I auditioned back in November before I went into hospital. And I got the part that I wanted. I'm one of the main parts. So that's really, really, really cool. So I start rehearsals on Wednesday.
Uh-huh.
So that'll be really cool.
So now I want you to notice I'm cutting this ginger into strips, okay? And then I'll cut it this way. And let's get this in.
Why do you need to do the ginger and the garlic first?
Because you want to release those flavors. They're really intense. And I kind of almost want to get them. Here, where's my thing going? Let me show you. Okay, I almost want that ginger to go brown like that.
Okay.
Kind of toast it.
All right.
Release that flavor. And now we're going to add some love dust. Lovely.
So it's just more seasoning the pot again?
Yeah, seasoning it.
Okay.
And now we're going to look into our veg.
Okay.
So, I'm going to just reach...
Whoa, stop. I need to take a photograph.
Oh, yes. Okay. Well, what I want to do is we need to take a picture of me holding the bag. So...
You can edit all of this.
Yeah. So, if you can hold this...
All right, I'm going to
stop it. Okay, so, as you can see, I've taken some of these out, and I'm literally going to just throw them into the pan. And when you put them in, you want to quickly mix it in with that garlic and ginger. Okay, I want that flavor everywhere.
Oh, that ginger smells amazing.
I'm going to put a little bit more in, because this is going to be mostly, it's about the veg for me, okay? Actually, you know what? I'm putting it all in.
Send it home with me.
Yeah, because, well, the thing is, I've got my vegetarian foster child, so this will be great for him as well. Just the noodles going in. So, we want to let that cook a little bit. We're going to be adding some soy sauce, some fish sauce, and a touch of my jerk seasoning. Actually, my jerk seasoning, clean spoon. Get me a spoon. Never mind, I'm just going to squeeze a bit. So I don't want to put too much in, but there we go. Let's get that in. And I've also done a video of how to make this homemade jerk seasoning. Check it out. So let's just move that about. Nice. Now, on the stove here,
Cut on the floor.
On the stove here, I have boiling the stems of my coriander. You can see how
it's turned it green. That's amazing.
yeah. So all I want to do is I want to get a little bit of this stock. Add that, because that's going to help soften these veg. Because you want a little bit of crunch, but you don't want it to be raw. Okay? Now, just go for your store-bought noodles. These are what they call ready to walk.
Yeah.
Ready to walk.
I mean, if you wanted to use dry, you could boil them first.
You could boil them first, but what's the point?
Yeah.
And there we go. And let's get the next one. And these already have oil on them. Look at this. When they come in my hand, look at that.
Yeah, you can see.
You can see.
Showing it, yeah.
Okay, and let's just get those. Put those over the top. I'm not going to mix them in yet, because now I'm going to go over with my fish sauce. If you're making a vegan, don't use that. And soy sauce. Then we're going to take it. Here, I'm going to take it over here so I can just show you. Okay. So I can show you what's happening. And then we're just going to mix this.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Oh, Mum. I can really smell the ginger, the coriander, the fish sauce. Oh, it smells great.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, ready? Because I want you to smell this. I have invented smell-o-vision. Watch. Now get your nose ready because it's coming. Did you catch it?
I caught it. They caught it.
Let me give them one more.
Okay.
Smell-o-vision!
Yeah, they got it, Mum.
Alright, so let's just get this mixed up. And get it back onto the stove to finish cooking.
Now, how long would you cook that for?
Oh, probably about 10 minutes or so. Because, I mean, everything is pretty cooked. Let me just check something. I got something secret in the oven, but it ain't ready yet. Okay, now, I have one final ingredient to go into this dish. Because literally, this is my vegetable and my noodles. I ain't having nothing else with this other than, say, my meat, okay? Because it's all there. But, did you know you can cook with lettuce? Oh, yes, you can. So, I am going to take my baby gem, cut it in half, and then I'm just going to take these leaves, separate them.
Is this like if you haven't got any bok choy?
If you don't have any bok choy, this is called mum choy. This is my mum choy. Okay? Take the other half. So you ain't got no excuse. You can't say, oh, but I ain't got no bok choy. But you got your mum choy. That's my mum choy.
Would you just steam it? Like have it on the top steam?
I'm just going to put that on the top just so that it loosens up a bit. Let that steam. And then on top of that, I've got a little bit of lemongrass.
Oh, hello.
We're just going to sprinkle some of that on the top. And I have... Where are they? Because I know I have them. I know I have them in here.
What is
but they refuse to show their face.
What are you looking for?
My sesame seeds.
Oh.
You don't have to put them in, but I thought I had some sesame seeds up here. Oh, yeah, I do. Here's my sesame seeds, because I'm trying to make it really kind of authentic, right? So we're just going to put a few sesame seeds over that. And now, going to take it back over here so I can show y'all.
Wow.
Now we're just going to turn it.
It smells so good.
Doesn't it smell original?
It smells amazing.
Smell like you come to the Chinese takeaway.
It smells great.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mmm!
It smells amazing, Mum.
Hold up, people, one more time. Smell-o-vision.
So if you wanted, you could do that with some like chicken. You could stuff like chicken.
So now you could add some prawns or chicken. You can add anything to this.
Or just have it like that.
Or have it as a vegetarian accompaniment. Or main course.
Yeah. It's good.
But that, my people, is ready.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's done. It is done. I'm going to put it back on for just let those flavors go in a little bit more. So, one little bit of piece.
Wait, are we not going to taste it?
You want to taste it?
Well, yeah.
All right. This is for my dinner, girl.
I know, but a little bit, so you can see that, you know, that it tastes good.
All right. Get a fork. And we also need to take a picture.
Yes, we do.
Get a fork.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, so let's have a little taste of this because it looks delicious.
I want to taste it too.
Okay. I want some of this to show y'all.
I'll taste.
Go on. Yum.
I can't. Noodles.
Tell me what you think.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Isn't that good?
That's banging. Like, if I got this in a takeaway, I'd be...
You'd be paying a whole bunch of money.
Yeah, but I'd be happy. I wouldn't even quibble at it.
That's good.
Oh, it's delicious.
Alright, well, can you sign off for me with the thing? Let's do a swap. A job swap.
Okay. It's chewy. Right. So, my gorgeous peeps, with a little bit of peace, a whole lot of love, and some soul from the mama. Goodbye.
And Kat.
Oh.
Goodbye. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We see you next time on the other side.